There are a ton of different deals out there on Black Friday for authors, but authors honestly don't have enough to buy all of the things, right? And so I wanted to go and just talk about just the things that I personally use and recommend, and there's only a small handful of them to make it a little easier on you. Now, if you followed my channel for a while, you know I only make recommendations for author tools that I genuinely use or strongly recommend. I'm very picky with the affiliates and the sponsors that I take on, and so this is an important thing for me. I don't want to just give you all the Black Friday deals that you can possibly get. I want to just give you the ones that I strongly recommend. The first one that I recommend is ProWritingAid, and they're having one of the biggest sales that I've ever seen from them. They're giving their annual and lifetime subscriptions away for 50% off. So for the annual, that means you can get the premium for $60 and the premium plus for $72 for the entire year. But honestly, I would recommend just going straight to the lifetime plan. With this 50% off discount would get you the premium for $200 and the premium plus for $350, which is just an insane deal because they're usually $400 and like $700 respectively. To get the ProWritingAid discount, just use my link down below. There's no code or anything that you need to use to check out. And this deal ends December 3rd, so get to it. Next, we have one of my personal favorites, AutoCrit. AutoCrit is having a Black Friday sale as well, where you can get the lifetime for them at $350 as well. So basically at the same price as the Premium Plus over with ProWritingAid. To get AutoCrit for the $350, go ahead and use my link down below. Once again, no code or anything used to check out, and this deal ends on December 2nd. Some of you are asking whether to get ProWritingAid or AutoCrit, which one I would recommend more than the other, because they are kind of similar. I think in an ideal world, I would get both. And so this could be a good opportunity to get both for a very low price. But if you could only pick one, my personal recommendation would be AutoCrit. It's my personal favorite. I'm going to have another video comparing the two more directly, but by that point, this deal will have gone on. So ideally, get both. But if you can only have one, just go with AutoCrit. Next, another one of my personal favorites is Publisher Rocket. Now, Publisher Rocket recently had an increase in price, but thankfully, thanks to Black Friday, you can now get Publisher Rocket for $30 off. Plus, you get a $50 course for free, so that's a total of $80 in savings. Publisher Rocket is my go-to favorite for things like mastering keywords and categories and doing a lot of genre research and just looking at the data to help you really position your book in a way that it can succeed. I use it literally all the time for genre research alone, but I also use it anytime I'm publishing a book to make sure I'm getting the right keywords and categories. Otherwise, I could totally mess up my metadata and that could lead to lower sales. If you want to get this deal, you'd have to actually use my affiliate link below. No code required, but this deal does end on December 3rd, so make sure you get to it. The next one, and this is the only one that is not an affiliate link, but I just recommend it that much that I decided to put it in the video anyway, and that is Atticus. Atticus is a book formatter, and it's, of all the tools I'm going to recommend to you today, it's probably the one I would say is the most required, in quotes. And I'm not even get paid to say that. I get no affiliate commission for Atticus, at least not for right now. But when you get Atticus, it's still at the normal lifetime price, but you get an additional free course when you buy it during the Black Friday sale. So that's worth it enough to me. It's nice that it's a lifetime price to begin with and not a subscription. It's definitely one of the most valuable pieces of software that I've ever bought as an author. So definitely go check it out. Once again, there's no affiliate here, so you can use my link down below or just go there directly and you should be able to check out with no code or anything like that. All right, next I want to talk about book covers, and I have two book cover recommendations that I've talked about before here on the channel. They are my top recommendations, and even high-profile authors like Kevin J. Anderson use them. The first one is MibleArt. MibleArt is offering 20% off of their cover design packages. They're absolutely gorgeous. I've used them for several of my own books, and we'll probably be picking up another book cover with this deal this year. Maybe 2 or 3, who knows? To get this deal, make sure to use my link down below, but also use the code MIBBLE20BLACK at checkout. I'll make sure all of that is down below in order to get your 20% off. All right, related to MibleArt is Get Covers. Get Covers is a more affordable cover design program. And while I wouldn't say it's quite at the standards that MibleArt has, it's still very good, especially considering the price. The price goes between $10 and $35 normally. And with this deal, you get 25% off that. So I would just go to town and go crazy and get all the covers you need right now, assuming you can afford them, because that is a ridiculous ridiculously good deal on some pretty high quality covers. To get that deal, make sure to go down to my link down below and use the code BLACKDEALS at checkout to make sure you get that discount. The deadline for both Midlar and Get covers is December 1st, so that's coming up pretty soon, so make sure to get your covers before that time. All right, last but not least, I want to talk about Dibbly, or the Urban Writers. They're going through a kind of a name change right now. Urban Writers, or Dibbly, is one of those services that I use for ghostwriting now and again, and there's all kinds of different ghostwriting. There's, of course, fiction, nonfiction, but also SEO articles if you want to do something like that. There's lots of good opportunity for anyone to help you out with the writing process. They also have a good number of editors which can help you out as well. So if you need editing for your tool, this might actually be a really good place to look. I've used Urban Writers for a couple of different projects and recommend them strongly. They are offering 15% off any of their services. And if you understand what that means, that's actually a significant savings depending on how much you get. An entire ghostwritten book can cost you thousands of dollars, and 15% of that is hundreds of savings. So if you're one of those people that want to get ghostwritten work or editing work done, make sure to use this code PriorityBFCM15 at checkout and use my link down below, and you'll be able to get that 15% off all of your services. And that's it. Those are really the only things that I recommend for authors. And some of them, like Urban Writers, really isn't for all authors. It's just something I recommend for a certain type of author who might need that sort of thing done. All of these things are things that I have or have used, and I recommend all of them very highly. So if you have the savings built up, I would recommend getting all of these tools, especially all of the ones with lifetime options that are on sale right now, which is most of the ones that I mentioned. And if you need book covers and editing, those services are available as well. But ProWritingAid, AutoCrit, Publisher Rocket, Atticus, those I would strongly recommend getting now if you can afford it. So I hope this was useful for you, and I will see you in the next video.